Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Kept trying to get this video up for you guys. I had to refilm this video because my audio footage on the time I tried to film yesterday was complete crap. It kept like cutting out. Regardless, I have a video today showing you guys what kind of eye look I like to pair with a bold lip, how I like to rock it, what kind of skin I like to do, which I'm not really showing you a tutorial of the skin, but I am linking down a video down below if you guys want to see what I do to achieve this skin. But anyways, this is kind of more about the eyes, what I do, and how simple and easy it is. It's so easy. If you guys are interested, then just keep watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did like this video and want to see more tutorials. I always link all the products down below if you guys are interested, and if you want to see how I rock a bold lip, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what kind of eye look I like to pair with a bold lip. It's going to be super simple, super easy. It's going to be a very quick tutorial. I'm going to zoom you guys in. So one of my favorite things to do with a bold lip is to do like just a glitter eyeshadow just to make it the look really sparkle. And today I'm going to be using the Colourpop Supershock shadow in the shade Amaze. And so I've already primed my eyelids with some MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which I use all of the time in my tutorials. I'll have it linked down below if you need to get some. So all I'm gonna do is just press this on my lid with my finger. I like to use my middle finger for this. And just evenly kind of disperse it on the lid. I think I accidentally got like a chunk of it. I've tried this with brushes before, but I just feel like it works best with my finger. I like to put it all over the lid like that. And there you have it. You have like this pressed, glittery, gold, wet looking eyelid. So it kind of gives the look a little bit of like a pop of something other than the lip, just so it's not just the lip. You give the look some spice, some pizzazz, you know? And then next I am going to just take a transition color, whatever your favorite is, something like not super light, but something a little bit deeper, not too deep. I think today I'm going to go with MAC Soft Brown. I like to use a dual, what is it called? Dual fiber brush, and just pop it in the outer V, but just sweep it to the crease where you'd normally put your transition color, just to give it a little depth. And to also sweep away any of the excess glitter that has flown up in the crease, because we don't want it to really be up in the crease. This is the Real Techniques base shadow brush. I just like to use this for whatever, you know, multi-use. So that's all it is. There's 3 steps. You prime, you do the glitter, and then you go in the crease with the transition color. All I'm gonna do is just curl my lashes, go in with some mascara. Today for my lashes, I'm gonna be using the MAC 35s. The last step is to apply the lip color. And I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite bright lip color at the moment, and it's between these two. I have a lot that I really like, but this formula I'm trying out right now, and I've told you guys about it before. I guess I'm not trying it out, but kind of seeing how I like it compared to other ones. It's the Lipsense. I'm sure you guys have heard of Lipsense before. My friend Kristin, she asked me if I wanted to try some product on Instagram, so she sent me some. I really liked it. I really liked the Razzberry shade, and then I bought the Samon from her, and I really wanted a bright coral. She said this was like the true coral, even though it looks very orange in the little in the packaging, but on the lips and swatched it looks a lot more pinky coral. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like, and technically you're supposed to apply this 3 times, and I chose this. Nobody asked me to talk about this. I just really like the formula. I like that it lasts a long time. So with me, the thing with bright, bold lips, you have to find something that's gonna last a really long time, because I personally don't like high maintenance lip products, like especially when they're bright colors. Like when you're eating and stuff like that, you don't want it like getting all over your face, getting in your teeth and stuff like that, so you want something that's gonna stay put. My favorite products when it comes to Lipsense is definitely the bright lip colors, just because you know that they're gonna stay put, you know that they're not going anywhere. And I know that you're supposed to apply these 3 times, but I only like to apply them once, because if I apply them more than once, it gets patchy on me and I have to start over. So it may work differently for you guys, but I can only do 1 layer, which I feel like is good because you're not using as much product. But I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I really just go in. I think I'm gonna add some of this raspberry on top, just 1 little tiny, let's see what happens. Once it all dries, I add lip gloss over it, because I do not like the way that this feels without lip gloss at all. It's like sticky and tacky feeling. I'm totally gonna be always honest with you guys, like no matter what. There are ups and downs to this product to me. Like some things I don't like about Lipsense and some things I really love. Like I love that it'll last me. I had so many questions about these colors. A lot of people really are digging these colors. And I also love that when you add the gloss, it's not sticky at all. It's very like moisturizing feeling. And literally I could put anything on my lips right now. I'm trying to think of something. And I could just like put my lips on it and the color will not transfer or anything like that. Use whatever bold lip color that you like, your favorite bold lip. This right now is my favorite. I love the way that it looks. It's so pretty. Some people are like, it's too bright, but like makeup is fun. Let's just have fun, you know what I mean? So this is the finished look. This is the kind of eye look that I like to do with a bold lip. I love it for summer. I love the luminous skin with the contour, the highlight, and just the pop of the lip with the lashes. Oh, it's like my favorite go-to, and it's so easy and so quick. So I love it so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it too. And if it helped you out, gave you a couple ideas. Let me know your favorite bold lip color down below. I would love to know what you guys love. Another one of my favorites personally is the YSL Glossy Stain. I love those so much. Don't forget to subscribe and sign up for alerts. Please don't forget to let me know what you want to see next, as always, down below. I have all the links down below to if you guys are interested in purchasing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.